Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Human Intelligence Machine token. Ticker symbol is HIM. Now this token is doing very well today. It was also doing very well yesterday where I saw it first. This is on the Basechain. You can find this token on DEX Screener and DEX Tools. Right now it is up 756% in the past 24 hours. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand new token and basically just came out 1 day, 1 hour ago on Uniswap. So right now this token is trending number 9 on DEX Tools. And right now on DEX Screener, it says it's up 756% in the past 24 hours. Pool was created 1 day, 1 hour ago, and their 24-hour trading volume is $1.8 million. So basically, if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you need like a Coinbase wallet or a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet, and then you would fund your wallet with ETH. Then go into the dApps, find a Uniswap, and then bridge your ETH to Base, and then trade your Base for the HIM token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, him.airforce. Over there you can find Medium articles. It says DEX, a decentralized exchange button, Twitter, Telegram, home section. It says Human Intelligence Machine facilitating disclosure and contact with NHI. And then it has a contact email, admin@him.airforce. And then it has the contract address right there. So no Medium articles yet. I thought they would have a Medium article describing the project. Nothing on there yet. If you click on DEX, that just takes you over to DEX Tools. And then the other buttons are just socials basically and a home button. So not a lot of info on their webpage. Very scarce information there. Yeah, there's no other buttons on their webpage, no Medium articles. So most of the info is going to be on their Twitter or on their Telegram. So their Telegram is at Human Intelligence Machine, 291 members, 52 of them are online. That would be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more from other community members. Talk to them. That would be a great place. Now, if you go over to their Twitter, a lot of underscores. So their Twitter, I'm going to put it up right on the screen here. Looks like 3 underscores, then an H, and then underscore I, underscore M, then 3 more underscores. So, yeah, quite a crazy Twitter name to find there. Obviously, HIM is going to be taken, though. I mean, there's that band named HIM that was, Viva La Bam, Bam Margera's favorite band there from Viva La Bam. You guys remember that show? How old are you? Do you remember Viva La Bam and HIM, where he took HIM's tour bus? I'm in my 40s, obviously. Okay, so they only have 1 tweet. So yeah, not a lot of info on the Twitter either. It says it is a non-governmental and non-profit organization. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what it says on the Twitter there. They just joined in April 2024. That's how brand new this project is. 150 followers. And I can't even really see their 1 tweet. It must be like a reply or something, or a retweet. But yeah, no information on. So I guess most of the information is going to be on the charts, and it's a good idea to probably ask some questions there in the Telegram as well. I am doing another video, uploading in the same day today, another video that's getting this token's getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange, and it's also a very popular base token. So stay tuned for that video today. So anyways, this token here, the price of it is about 10 cents right now, almost 11 cents. The DEX Tools is trending number 6. On DEX Tools, you can find a Bubble Maps link. You can find a Basechain link. Let's see if they have any other links here. Twitter, Telegram, email, website, Bubble Maps. Yeah, just all the same ones I named. So they have on their Basechain, it says 1,292 holders so far. They've had 4,146 transfers. That's pretty good for one day. 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 100 million HIM tokens. So it says there is some taxes. So I think it's 1% here. Yeah. So right beside it says Uniswap, and it says fee 1% Uniswap v3, but the taxes on sells it says is only 0.01%. So and then buy tax is 0%. But it says fee is 1%, so just be aware of that. You may have to set your slippage around 1%. So yeah, 2 million 24-hour trading volume. Their market cap is $7.77 million according to DEX Tools, but it says 10.9 million according to DEX Screener. I guess they're combining a couple pools. And their liquidity is $1 million in Uniswap. Now, the first issue I see, though, is it's not locked. So I don't see a liquidity lock, so just be aware of that. It doesn't have the lock button lit up on DEX Screener or DEX Tools. You don't want to get rugged, so just be aware I don't see liquidity being locked, so that could be a big problem. I'm not saying it is going to be a problem, but it definitely could be a big problem. Now they have 160 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 5.1 million pooled HIM tokens. They have a community trust score of 71.4% out of 7 votes. Maybe people don't trust it because liquidity is not locked. But they do have 2 really good audits from GoPlus Security and Quick Intel Security that have no warnings on them whatsoever. And you can find them on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. So go check that out. But the only thing I see missing is they don't have a team docs. They don't have a full audit. Just the 2 quick audits, and their liquidity is not locked. So just be aware of that before getting this token. Now let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Stay tuned for my other videos coming today, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.